Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here in the shop and we're going to be working on the 550. It's not in here, but we're going to be installing this performance exhaust, aka muffler delete, onto it. So I guess before we move all this other garbage around, why don't we open these boxes and we'll see what's in there. Now some of you may be asking, well, why purchase muffler delete when you could just cut it off and straight pipe it yourself? Well, I don't want it to look all janky. Remind my janky welding.
Alright,
I think these are our tips. Yes, these are the exhaust tips. These are what we went with. They should look pretty good coming out the back of that bumper. Got the Turner logo on them. Should be the other one. Indeed it is. Same thing. Now, time for the big box. There you go. It's equipped with all the correct hangers and everything that you need. So we're not going to be, cutting and welding anything to make it look all goofy. To remind my janky welding. There's the other side. These are the clamps. So this is the center brace. It's all very well built. And the clamps and the nuts and bolts. So I guess the only thing left to do now is get all this stuff out of the way so we can install this stuff. Alright, so it's in here. I guess first things first is we should see how the factory exhaust sounds. So let's do that.
I don't know about that.
Alright, so now let's get this thing up in the air and see what we gotta do. Alright, so here we are under the car. Here are the stock mufflers, stock cross piece. So I guess what we need to do is grab one of those and kind of put it up here and see how far I have to cut this thing. Alright, so it's gonna be like that. Right about there, we'll cut this. And then we'll lower this side down. And then measure this side, get this side down, and then start piecing this together. There's that one. Bolt this cross brace, and then we can get this muffler off of here. There, helps if you grab the right side. Put lube on this stuff. And this is where I figure out that I cut this too short. Cool.
That's pretty neat.
All right, well, I guess I can weld what I need here. Great. So it needs to be about flush with the rear differential, so I cut about, I don't know, 6 inches too much off.
That's what she said.
That's great. All right, just gotta weld this piece on. So if I weld this piece back on, then it'll fit. So let's do that.
How neat is that?
Making extra work for myself, that's great. All right, there's that side. Remember the beginning of this video where I said I didn't want any of my janky welding on it and that's why I bought a nice kit? Well, there you go. It's got my janky welding. Great. All right, now I will try to not cut this other side too short. And then I won't have to weld anymore, and that'll be great. Just like that. Look at how much easier that was. And let's not forget our fancy support. Fancy. Now I'm going to clean up my tools and we'll take a look. And listen. All right, here's how it looks completed from the back. I like how the tips look. Under here, the Turner brace is kind of cool. They remind my janky welding. It's a really nice put together kit. Looks great installed. Now we just gotta lower the car down and see what it sounds like. All right, guys, car's on the ground. Here's how it looks back here. Really like how these tips look. Let's see what it sounds like. the only thing left to do now is take it for a drive. Sounds really good in the car. I've actually been driving it, I don't know, 4 or 5 days since I put the exhaust on. And I really like how it sounds. No real drone inside the car when you're driving it. It's just that nice, smooth tone. Really kind of makes it feel like you're driving more of a, you know, sports car, less of a four-door sedan. So I am very happy with how this exhaust sounds. Well, I guess it's not really an exhaust, it's more of a muffler delete. Let's see here, we can do a quick launch. Oh, spun the tires. So yes, very happy with how this sounds. Now, is it any faster? I don't know. All right, guys, so there you go. That's the Turner Motorsport F10 N63 muffler delete. It's been actually a couple weeks since I filmed that, and I've been driving it daily, and it sounds amazing. It almost sounds like a stock M5. So I'm happy with it. Really well put together kit. It's worth the money, even though you got some of my questionable welds, which actually I fixed that with a welder that worked a little better. I was out of gas on my welder when I did that, which that's great. But I wanted to thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. Leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. Helps out trying to grow this thing.
That's what she said.
Trying to do some more stuff. Next video won't probably be a BMW video. I think we're going to work on that thing. Got some interior work to do on it. So until then, I will see you guys later. Take care.